Inkdrop AI Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of Inkdrop AI, an advanced tool designed to revolutionize the way we handle digital note-taking, content creation, and organization. Links to the product are available in the description, so feel free to check them out. Inkdrop AI is packed with features tailored for professionals, students, and content creators alike. First and foremost, its most impressive feature is its AI-driven note organization. Inkdrop automatically categorizes and tags your notes, making it easy to search and retrieve information, no matter how much data you've stored. This means you can stay organized without spending hours managing folders or tags manually. Another standout feature is its powerful writing assistant. Inkdrop AI helps you brainstorm ideas, improve the structure of your notes, and even suggests content improvements. Whether you're drafting blog posts, research papers, or personal journals, this tool significantly boosts productivity by helping you refine your writing with ease. The integration with cloud storage ensures your notes are always accessible, even on the go. With seamless syncing across devices, you never have to worry about losing important information. Inkdrop is also perfect for those who value privacy. It uses end-to-end encryption, making sure your notes remain secure from third-party access. The intuitive interface is user-friendly, with minimal learning curve, so whether you're a tech expert or a casual user, you can dive in immediately without frustration. In terms of accessibility, Inkdrop works across multiple platforms, from desktop to mobile, ensuring that you're always connected. This tool is designed for anyone who needs a reliable, intelligent, and secure note-taking system that evolves with your needs. In conclusion, Inkdrop AI is a game-changer for anyone looking to streamline their note-taking process and enhance productivity. Whether you're a student, content creator, or business professional, this tool offers unmatched features to elevate your workflow. Check out the links in the description for more details and give it a try. You won't be disappointed.